In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine on the Firefox web browser on your MacBook or macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the hamburger icon in the top right corner of the browser, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select where it says Search, and then where it says Default Search Engine, click the drop down, select whatever you want your default search engine to be. This will be the default search engine in the address bar and search bar. You can switch it at any time, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.